do it slowly, slowly. Again, because we go to rounds, 2 rounds, it's easy to go around from squares. It's hard for rectangular. So we look for 2 squares. 2 squares, we make the corners. And now we're octagon. Hammer it a little bit more, that's it, it's round.
2 squares.
Now you see, usually when we mark something, we do it on dull red. It's easy to see and it's not so bright. And now when we're coming out from the fire, when it's really, really hot, we don't have to waste any time finding the right place and play with it. You can go straight to work and use the heat. Start to cut from the top, we won't go all the way. We finish the cut from the top with fuller, because if we cut it all the way, we're probably going to have a crack, and after 2 years or something, it will snap. So we always cut almost to the end, and then slowly, slowly with fullers, we finish. Actually, we move it here. We don't really cut it anymore. We move it to the place where we want the end of the fork. This is very, very important. Now we get rid of the cutting mark with fuller. Now we have to work with the fuller that will give us the size, the distance between the two bars. Now it's square. Amit will go to octagon and round it. If you have file, it's a really good time now to file and get rid of the cutting marks, those small chips that inside, because usually they will stay there.
With the file.
It won't be on your way, but it's going to be there. So now it's good time to file it a little bit, get rid of this mark, cutting marks, then 40.